How to make our lessons engaging, so how to generate students' interest. What is the most important thing?
Tired teachers and students do not mix, and do not mix well. Tired teachers and energetic students don't mix. So you need to be as energetic as your students. If you are tired, they are tired. If you are bored, they are bored. If you are happy, they are happy. If you are energetic, they are energetic.
Very energetic, some are funny, some are boring. So I think it's important to pay attention because I lesson plan according to how my students react. So I try things and I base my lessons on that. That's why I think it's important.
We teach. Well, the soft skill, as you know, soft skill consists writing and also this speaking. I suppose that writing and speaking, both of them must be funny to do in our classes. Once we do that, for example, when I teach my students, I always draw these flashcards, all the papers, and I wrote several words here.
I want my students to be happy, because if they are not happy, they can't even learn anything, any word. So I always try to make them teach with fun, of course, some practices, some practical skills and videos.
While I'm explaining grammar issues, I try to teach them through life examples from my own life or from anybody else's life. And I also try to use funny grammar games and try to teach them through games.
One of the most important things for me is that I love to play with my students, because when they see that you love to play with your student, it's very, very interesting and very fun for them.